Hello everyone, this is Tech Tank, and today I'm going to show you a website which is probably going to be very useful for you. And please see the video till the end because I guarantee that the video is going to be useful for you. Now, the website I'm going to show you is called supercook.com. Now, what supercook.com exactly does? Now, I'm going to give you a scenario about what supercook.com does. Now, for example, you come back from work and you're very tired, hungry, and you don't know what to cook because you have limited ingredients. So, this is what the problem supercook.com mostly solves. Now, all we gotta do is just enter the ingredients which we have in our pantry. Suppose we have butter, egg, milk, uh, tomatoes, portobello mushroom, lemon, and blueberry. Now, the thing exactly is what we've done exactly is that we have entered all the ingredients that we have in our pantry, and supercook.com has collected these ingredients and returned us back with recipes we can do with these ingredients. So, supercook.com has returned back to us 1458 recipes which we can do with butter, egg, tomatoes, portobello, mushroom, lemon, and milk. Now, for example, we have this uh, recipe 1 minute Hollandaise sauce. And the good thing about supercook.com is that we can view the website where the recipe is written. Now, let's just go to this website, and then, you know, as you can see, we have entered this website and we can see the ingredients which are used for what the 1 minute Hollandaise sauce, and the steps how to do the dish, and the nutrition, how, like, as you can see, 233 calories, protein 1.7 grams. You can also see the prep time, cook time, total minutes, and how much uh, people it can serve. So this is pretty useful by supercook.com. And why exactly supercook.com is so useful is that people break their head when they have limited ingredients, or you know a lot of ingredients, they don't know what to cook. So supercook.com just narrows down their searches and gives them wonderful recipes which they can cook with. Now friends, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please to try out supercook.com when you're free. It's gonna be useful for you. And please to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit that like button if you like this video. It encourages me to do more videos like this. And also don't forget to share this video if you think it could be useful to others. This is me, Tech Plank, signing off.